Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing very well. So today I am going to be doing a gift guide ideas. Christmas is coming up very soon. We've literally got like 10 days from this day that I'm filming, but basically we have 9 days from when this video goes out. So you do have the option of going online. So if you want to get your last minute stuff, please get your last minute stuff this week. This is the best week to get your stuff so it's on time the next week if you haven't bought anything yet. So yes, I'm gonna get right into it. Okay, before I do, please hit that subscribe button if you are new. Hi, my name is Bobby and I have a blog named What the Tea Bobs, which will be linked in the description below. And if you ain't new, hi, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you ain't new and you haven't hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Please do like, comment and share, and we're gonna get started right now. So let's get started with what we have today. So I'm gonna share a few things, starting with beauty products, because you guys know I'm into beauty a lot. I talk about beauty quite a lot on my channel. Other things as well. I'll share pictures because I don't have them right here right now, but they're just gift ideas. So yes. So the first thing is some skincare products. If you guys know, I love Glow Recipe, and I have a few, and I say a few products from Glow Recipe. I like them, okay, and I think it works well with my skin. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Mist. It looks like this. I use this literally every time. You've probably seen it in my videos as well. I use this every time. So ever since I bought it, yes, I am obsessed. I think I'm going to buy another one. Literally, this is just so good. It's just a nice little mist, and it doesn't spray out at you in an uncontrollable way. It just comes out very nice and subtle on the skin, and it gives your skin a bit of a glow. I think I would recommend you checking out Cult Beauty at the moment because they're doing a sale, so you might be able to get like a kit with this inside, so check it out right now. And you also have this toner, which I've been loving as well. This is the Watermelon Glow pH and BHA Pore Tight Toner. This product right here is really nice on the skin. This is something that I will use either in the evening, or you can use it in the morning, but I like to use it in the evening. I usually deal with my skincare products mostly in the evening. In the morning, I will literally just use a facial wash and then cream my skin. That's how I do my daily routine. Literally, it is facial wash and then cream my skin. That's it. It's not, you know, I'm not like an advocate of, I know what skincare is good to use in the morning, but if you are someone who likes to use skincare in the morning, this would be a great one to use. This is very subtle, very smooth, and it gives your skin a bit of a hydration. The toner actually retails for £31, I think. It's £31. Don't take my judgment. Look on the screen, it will say it there. But yeah, it's not cheap, but skincare is never cheap, so you guys have to bear that in mind. Skincare is not cheap. So I've had this, I think I've had this, I bought this first and then I bought this after, so yeah, it's here now. Like, it's still quite a lot left, but as I said, I don't use this often, only in the evening, and I don't use it like a skincare routine. I would do like once or twice a week, usually like even just once, and I'm just like, okay, this is good enough for the week. That's it. But there's people out there who really like to do their skincare a lot, during the week because they're trying to, you know, maintain that hydration in their skin. And yeah, it's good, but for me it's what works for me. Everyone's skin is different. Okay, so the next product is a lip product, and it is something really cool. This is the Patrick Tar lip mask, and it looks like this. This retails for £20. I know it's a bit pricey, but if you're giving this as like a Christmas gift, this is really nice, or even to have like for yourself. This is so nice. I really recommend this. This has like a, it has like a minty sweet smell, but it's not like, it is so, it smells like chocolate mint, like chocolate mint ice cream. Oh, but even better, like that's what it looks like inside. Yeah, I have used it. I use this in the evening though. You can use it in the day, up to you, but it's a lip mask, so you're supposed to really use it morning, like if you're on the go, or if you're going to sleep. That's the best way to kind of use it, so you use it overnight and your lips to stay nourished and plump. Okay, it does give you that plump feeling. I love that about this lip mask. And imagine gifting this to a friend, or like your partner, or any family members. This would be a really nice. It's not like a, oh, like it's a dig. It's not that type of thing. This is just really nice if you just want like a lip balm, but like a lip mask type of situation. This is nice, affordable. It's not affordable, but it's great. Okay, love me some eyeshadow palettes. The first one I'm going to talk about is the Mitchell one. This is such a fun palette to use. This is like my favorite out of the bunch. I know a lot of people like the Head Over the Clouds one. That one is a cute palette, but that is, it's got nice blues in it, but the pastels is what throws me off a little bit. But this one I love because of the greens, and I'm into greens so much. If you know me, I love green eyeshadow. It's just something that I am obsessed with. I think everyone should try something like this. Such a fun, cool palette. It has, you know, your yellows, it has your greens in there, and then it has like everyday type of shades that you can use, and then this vibrant, you know, orangey red, browns. Oh, literally such a great palette to have during Christmas. And if you want to gift it, get on, you know, on the bandwagon. It's that good. Can't lie, shipping is probably gonna be delayed for Mitchell, but if you want it for after Christmas, this would be a great product to have. So if you did order beforehand, you're very lucky, because I think the last day was to order was last week Friday, maybe. But yeah, the next one, which I think most people have this, but if you don't have this, I think it's a great one to have. This is the James Charles palette. It's the Morphe collaboration. You guys, I love this. It took me nearly over a year to use this palette. It's not until lockdown I actually used this palette, and that's crazy because I had it just sitting there and I didn't get to use it, but that's what I'm wearing on my eyes today. This palette just screams me. but like it screams a lot because it has such fun colors in here, but it also has like your everyday type of colors. I don't know how to explain it, but it's a lot of colors going on in here, and it might make you feel like, oh, but once you have it, it's like nice to go in and just kind of just play with it. And I think this would be ideal for someone who, even if you're a beginner in makeup, I think this would be such a cool palette to have as your first palette. So if you are looking to get your mom or dad to buy this for you, this would be a great gift. Also, if your boyfriend is like, oh,
I don't know what to get you. And then you'd be like,
oh, just give me Jay's transparent from this person with you.
this is it, okay? Highlighter. Great. So next thing is the Pat McGrath lipsticks. Now I just got a new one recently, but this is the one that I originally have. This is $19.95. This one is literally my favorite. I have no complaints about $19.95. When you get it, it just looks like a fun box to have. And the lipstick packaging is just so amazing. I mean, who wouldn't want a Pat McGrath lipstick? Like, literally. I know it has been used, but when you get it, it looks frosty, so it looks like, oh, I wonder what that's gonna look like on my lips. But it is such a smooth formula, and I say, if you're gonna get this, please do get it now. At the moment, and I have put it on my Instagram when this happened, she is selling her lipsticks, this lipstick, for £12 and $12. So if you're in the US or Canada, you can get this lipstick for $12, or if you're over here in the UK, you can get it for £12. This retails for £36. So guys, I suggest you go on there, get your lipstick or lip gloss, because the lip glosses as well are currently £11. And I'm just like, why didn't I just wait and get a lip gloss as well? I might just order one, because I can't lie, I need a big lip gloss, because I've only got the mini ones and I think I need a big one, okay? But yeah, the packaging is unreal. This is the shade Omi, and then this one is $19.95. So I'm just happy that I have both. This one for £12, and then I got this one full price. No, actually I got this one in the sale as well, but I don't know if I got it for £12. I probably got it for like £16 or £17 maybe when I got it. So yeah, guys, get your hands on a Pat McGrath lipstick. It will change your life, and you won't end up being disappointed. You'll actually end up thanking me, because literally you need to get your hands on it, okay? And the last product of the beauty products is the infamous Charlotte Tilbury, of course. Had to put this in. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer, and it's in the shade Tan 3. One thing I love about this is that you can refill it. It has this hole at the top where you just push it out, like you can use like a pen or something to push out the empty pan when it gets empty. But yes, I have been diving in this for time now. Ever since I bought it, I haven't put it down. Like, this is my favorite bronzer, and I can't stress enough that Charlotte Tilbury did her thing when she made this bronzer. if you're my skin tone or lighter, this would get tan 3. If you are deeper skin tone than myself, I would suggest like number 4 would be ideal. I wish she had more darker shades, because for someone who is like, who's a shade reference, the Plastic Boy, he would be shade 4, whereas yeah, myself is shade 3. So I don't know if she has shade 5 actually. I don't know if she does. She might have shade 5. I'm gonna double check and let you guys know. But yeah, this is bomb, and I would suggest buying this if you are looking to get this. As I said, prices will be on the side if I don't mention it, because I don't remember how much this costs. But at the moment, get yourself these, okay? So enough with beauty. I really want to talk about like other stuff that you can buy. First of all, if you're trying to buy something, like if you're not really sure what to get, I think pajamas or like a nice robe would be really nice to get during this Christmas for anyone. Pair of Vans. Okay guys, Vans are literally my favorite things to have. So if you're gifting like your girlfriend or your boyfriend a pair of Vans, you can't go wrong there. You actually can't go wrong. So a pair of Vans. Also, you can even gift someone a camera if you wanted to. So, you know, give someone a camera, a speaker. We also have a pair of shoes, clothing. Clothing is like one thing that is, I would say it's essential, because it's like, okay, if you can't buy me anything else, you should be able to like buy me a piece of clothing or something. I would be so happy if someone bought me some nice tracksuit or a nice like top with like some cute trousers or jeans or something, you know, like that would be so nice. And also, like, this is like a little bit much, but like even lingerie, okay, if you are with like a significant other, lingerie is actually like, I know it's a bit kinky, but like it's like, it's cute when you make the effort and you know what the person's size is, and you know you went out your way to like buy something that your girlfriend would appreciate, you know. Or like if you want to buy your boyfriend something kinky, go ahead, that's up to you, but we'll try to keep it like PG out here. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap it up and let you guys go. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed, and catch me in my next video. Okay, I know I'm not looking like the best, but we try to make an effort, okay? And yes, please stay safe guys, and if you got any video suggestions, let me know in the comment section below or by email, and I'll see if I'll do that for my video, okay? And any collaborations as well. Guys, we're heading into a new year soon, and we need to change things up, okay? Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye guys, bye. And Merry Christmas guys, Merry Christmas, if this is my last video for until Christmas. Yeah, Merry Christmas guys.